Trend Flow Formula 3-Day Live Masterclass Review. Hi there, and thanks for tuning in. Before the next economic crash hits, what if you could recession-proof your income with just one skill? Today, we're reviewing a bold claim, wild profits, and a masterclass that might just change your life or waste your time. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. Trend Flow Formula is a simplified trading blueprint using machine learning to uncover winning crypto trades. Created by a veteran trader, this method aims to help everyday people profit without needing a product, a website, or any marketing skills. Let's see what you will be getting inside this 3-day masterclass, and then we will hear how Trend Flow Formula works directly from the host. Play the demo here and go to the purchase and money back screen in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Day 1 introduces crypto trading's benefits, shows how to start small, set up tools, build consistent profits, master one life-changing skill, and unlock the Trend Flow system for financial freedom. Day 2 teaches a powerful trade trigger, reveals top cryptos, builds chart reading skills, enables risk-free practice with $100,000 virtual funds, and details the strategy to profit from small market moves. Day 3 reveals how to turn trading into a fast, repeatable morning routine, scale profits efficiently, and build a sustainable income stream or business, all in just 30 minutes a day. Bonus Day 4 unveils advanced trading tools, speed tactics, scaling strategies, community support via the Hive, and next steps to amplify profits, celebrate progress, and ensure long-term trading success. Day 5 features a live Q&A with Sean, insider strategies, a $1,000 prize reveal, personalized feedback, and a full recap to help you lock in your game plan for success. It is a low one-time offer of just $19. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. Use the help of the AI Trend Flow Formula to make better trades in crypto. If you want to check out the Trend Flow Formula at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now, let's see the OTOs of Trend Flow Formula. First, we have already seen the Trend Flow Formula front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Elite VIP Access. It unlocks VIP's exclusive Q&A access, 30-day reviews, the Trend Flow Elite Workbook, extended sessions, a $1 Million Toolbox, and 30 days of on-demand access to all masterclass recordings. The second OTO is the Trend Flow Formula Inner Circle Club. Unlock mobile trading with a mobile accelerator. Boost results using the 10x multiplier method. Enjoy unlimited email support, lifetime access to recordings, and gain elite status in the Trend Flow community. Lastly, third OTO is the Trifecta. Gain full access to the Yellow Brick and 4 Candles masterclasses, including replays, resources, cliff notes, and transcripts, packed with proven strategies valued at $1,998 total. Now, here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the host himself. These are other than my own exclusive bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. No funnels, no clients, no fluff, just one powerful skill that generates income while you sip your morning coffee. The Trend Flow Formula isn't just training, it's your launchpad to financial independence. Get your access now for only $19 and join the next wave of smart traders changing their lives.